One of the most healing things you can do for your nervous system is get back into nature. Not because nature magically fixes everything, but because it reminds your body what peace feels like. I took some time today to do just that with Pub and Soda at the Waccamaw National Wildlife Reserve. The world has us constantly overstimulated. We're scrolling, overthinking, worrying, performing, surviving. And after a while, your body forgets how to slow down. But nature doesn't rush. The trees don't compete. The birds aren't worried about their to-do list or what's going on for tomorrow. The ocean doesn't force the tide. Everything simply flows in alignment with what it is. And when you spend time in that energy, your body starts remembering too. Your breathing softens, your mind quiets, your heart opens, your nervous system begins to regulate. This is why grounding matters. This is why walks matter. Sunlight, fresh air, ocean breeze, forests, and even sitting under a tree can feel healing. Your body is reconnecting with safety. Healing isn't always found in doing more. Sometimes healing is simply allowing yourself to return to what is real. Alignment before manifestation.